guys, Ellie here. Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. So today we have an iPhone 15 Pro. So we have the iPhone 15 Pro in the natural titanium color, which is the brand new titanium color which the iPhone 15 Pro comes with. As you can tell, the box is, this is how the box looks. It's slimmer because there's no charging brick, which was removed a while ago. So this is how it looks when you open it. And here, let's take this out. So this is how it looks, like a grayish color, but we'll get back to that later. It comes with a USB-C cable and this card with a sticker, manual, and it has this thing. You no longer need a physical SIM because you have an eSIM, so you don't put a physical SIM card in this anymore. You just put an eSIM. Now, let's get to the phone. Okay, so we have the phone on. Okay, so let's turn it on. Okay, it's turned on now. So this color is more of like a grayish matte gray type color, which looks really nice. It looks super cool with the titanium on it. And if I close it, it doesn't close because of the always on display. Another big thing is this has USB-C and an action button. So right now it's set to silent, and we have the bigger 48 megapixel 3 cameras on 15 Pro. Let's check that out right here. So it has 0.5. Let's take a picture of these boxes. 0.5, 1, 2, same distance, 3, and then the maximum 15. So that's all from the same distance. So that's how you can see those pictures, how they all look. And the camera on this is super nice with its, and this also has a ProMotion display, which a regular 15 doesn't. Let's check out this action button. So if we go into settings, you can see there's an action button right here. And then now you can see there's a silent mode, focus, camera, flashlight, voice memos, magnifier, shortcut, accessibility, and no action. So if you have it at silent, we can press it like that and it'll be silent. If we hold it, it'll be that way. Now if you have a flashlight, if I hold it, it's gonna turn on the flashlight. Hold it, it's gonna turn it off. So that's the cool thing about it. So that's how you use the action button and how you change it. This phone is way lighter compared to a 13 Pro, which we used to have, but you can go check that video out. So compared to the 13 Pro, this is so much lighter than it, even though it has more power and it has a bigger battery. It's super nice. I really like this phone. The USB-C will help with the whole Apple ecosystem with its Macs and its iPads and everything. It'll be so much easier and faster. Talking about USB-C, this has USB-C Type 3, which iPhone 15 doesn't. The iPhone 15 has a USB-C Type 2. It doesn't have a ProMotion display, which a Pro only has, the 3 cameras, the telephoto, and it doesn't have the action button, which is brand new for this year. Overall, I really like this phone. I'm excited to use it and everything. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. Bye!